Hi guys, today I am going to be doing slime and I've just came home from school, so that's why I'm in my school uniform, and my mummy's bought me 2 slimes. Here's my other one, obviously. So we've got a holographic one, and we have got a galaxy one. So we're going to start with this one first, and we are like, I don't know, but we're going to be doing it in a cup because I can't reach all down there with a stick. That's what I'm going to be mixing it with. So let's open it. So I love these big tubes. So that's that. I can't remember, I don't know what that's called, but I'll read what it's called. So we've got the spoon, what we pour that into, and we've got like the stick to mix it in, and we've got the glitter, and at last we've got the slime, and we will probably take that out. So first we need to put the slime into the cup. We need to put the slime into the cup. Obviously it would be one of them things. So 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Oh man. Right, so that wasn't a bit normal, but yeah, let's carry on. So let's put the slime into there. I can't do it, guys. Why is it so hard? Oh man, it's hard that. So I just got my mum to put the slime in, and now it's done. So let's go on to our next step. So I'm probably guessing this. We're gonna have to put a few, like 3 drops into it, and it's one of them again. So let's open it with this. Right. So I'm gonna have to clean this because I don't know if slime's allowed to go. Oh no. Right. So you need to put 3 little spoon drops in this kind of spoon onto this. So for 1. Oops. 1. Yeah. And then 2, 3. So that's that done. Let's put the lid back on this because we're going to be using it. I don't know. But let's get on to my glitter. Now we'll need scissors. It's a bit hard to open. Right, let's pour all this glitter into here. This is really hard. No, it's not hard. It's good. It's actually very fun, this. Very fun. Right, I think all that glitter's done. Now we need to give it a stir. I can already feel it. This is turning like, whoa. I can't believe how it's turning, guys. Look at that. Can you see it? It's going really good. Oh my. Can you see that, guys? That's really turning really sticky. Right, guys, now we're going to put it onto the table because it's fully mixed. That's easy slime to make, guys. You will. It's all right. We can just pour it all onto the table. That's hard. It's not quite bad. Okay, we'll just try and get that off right. Phew. Now let's make it up. Let's make it. Woohoo! This is a bit sticky, but not too sticky. Now we're gonna put it into this. And that's a slime. So now we're going on to our next one, and this is gonna be a big one. So it's really good this because you can keep it in it. Ooh, it's gonna get really good though. Look at that, guys. Whoa. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's so cool. So, guys, leave a comment if you want to see me do the Galaxy one. So, yeah.